Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread without an oven. You can still enjoy warm, homemade bread using simple stovetop or steaming methods. We will explore easy techniques that produce soft, delicious loaves, perfect for any meal. This guide will help you create wonderful bread using basic kitchen tools and ingredients you likely already have on hand. To begin, you'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, and a 1/4 cup of oil. First, proof your yeast with warm milk and sugar for about 10 minutes. Then, combine the dry ingredients, add the proofed yeast mixture and oil, and knead for at least 15 minutes. Let the dough rise for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. For stovetop baking, preheat a heavy pot with a rack for 10 to 15 minutes. Place your bread pan inside, cover, and bake on medium-low heat for 30 to 45 minutes until golden. Alternatively, for steamed bread, put your dough in a buttered bowl within a larger pot containing boiling water, ensuring the water covers half the bowl. Steam on medium heat for approximately 2.5 hours, refilling water as needed. For the best results, always use fresh, active yeast to ensure your dough rises beautifully. When baking on the stovetop, maintaining a consistent low heat is crucial to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Brushing your bread with an egg wash before cooking can give it a lovely golden brown crust. Remember to let your bread cool completely before slicing to achieve the perfect texture. Feel free to experiment with different flours or add herbs for unique flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.